Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dia and today's video is gonna be super exciting because I will be doing a IKEA haul. तो मैं recently IKEA गई थी, मैं उसका एक shorts I think एक दो shorts already up हो गया होगा और एक पूरा vlog भी होगा अलग से कि how is IKEA and all. So I visited IKEA Bangalore. So this I think has opened this year. भाई जहाँ पे रहता है यहाँ से it's like just like 5 minutes in metro. So I went to IKEA just today and I got some stuff. As you can see, I have this packet with me and ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने ख़रीदा नहीं है, बस छोटा मोटा चीज़ ही ख़रीदा था because इस साल मैंने IKEA से पहले भी कुछ फर्नीचर भी किया है. I will try to include this maybe in this video or maybe अलग से एक वीडियो कर दूँगी. But anyway, in today's video I will just show all the stuff that I got from IKEA and let's start. So the first thing that I got are these like spoon set. So here we have 6 spoon, 6 fork and 6 like button knife kind of. और ये ना पूरा प्लास्टिक का है सो स्पेशली ये आई थिंक बच्चों के लिए है बट आई रियली लाइक इट. ये मेरे पास हैदराबाद में भी है और यहाँ पे मैंने भाई के लिए भी लिया है एंड येस दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. मैं अलग से यहाँ पे अटैच कर दूंगी एंड ये तीनों मिला के लाइक टोटल इट्स लाइक 18 पीसेज, सब मिला के इट्स जस्ट 99 रुपीज़. आई फील लाइक दिस इज सुपर चीप. I really like this. Similar to this set, I have another set. So this is like a plate set of 6. This is again priced at just rupees 99 rupees. Again ये भी ना बच्चों के लिए ही है और इसका कलर I think अलग ऑप्शन है क्योंकि मेरे पास जो हैदराबाद में है that is like red, blue, that kind, and this is like a muted pastel color. I really like the color as well. ये हल्का फुल्का खाने के लिए if you like having like Maggi or snacks or something. तो छोटा प्लेट के लिए I think for 99 में like quality is also quite nice. I have been using this, so yes, this is the second thing that I got. The last one from the same set is the bowl set. So here we have 6 bowls, again like it's the same color and all, and this is also priced at 99 rupees. Again the prices also will be mentioned down below, you can check from there as well. But yes, this is the third one. Next my mom actually got this one. तो ये ना स्पेशली एक like dusting brush kind of है. स्पेशली मैंने ये लिया कि like for the corners या फिर विंडो में जो पतला वाला जो साइड रहता है ना वहाँ पे अच्छे से like धूल साफ नहीं होता है. So if you want to dust that, and yeah, this is like very, as you can see, this is very thin, so you can easily dust it at the corners or any like small places if you have. So yes, I got this. I don't remember the price. I think it was like 99 rupees. I will mention in the screen. And this is the next one. Next actually I got a milk frother. So this actually I bought during lockdown from Amazon, and if you don't know, Amazon also has IKEA links, and again if I find any of these objects in Amazon I will keep the link in the description box. You can buy from Amazon as well. Like it is a direct, like it's a genuine IKEA store. And I remember that I bought this I think in 2020. I already have a vlog also for this one, like the Amazon sale vlog. But for my brother also, he also wanted to get something, you know, अगर आप coffee बना रहे हो या फिर like if you know like milk में अगर froth type कुछ चाहिए होता है, so you can definitely use this. I have used it and it's a very nice product, and I think the MRP is 139, but I think there was some discount. I got it at 99 rupees, and which is like totally worth it for this one. And next one is this one. So I will attach the picture maybe in the screen somewhere. So, like if you have any rope or something in your house where you hang your clothes, तो वहाँ पे आप hanger से ये लगा सकते हो. And there are like multiple clips. तो especially ये ना underwear के लिए या फिर छोटा मोटा like you know socks or something if you want to dry it down, उसके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि ये जगह नहीं लेता है ज़्यादा. अगर एक normal एक hook लगा के अंदर देने से ही ये पूरा अटक जाता है. I think there are like at least like 15 they're like 15 like you know this kind of clips. I'm not opening it right now because I will be taking it with me in Hyderabad, so I don't want to like open the packaging. But yes, I have attached a picture, you can see it from there. And I got it at 199 rupees, which I think it's nice. I haven't checked what's the price in Amazon, but I think it will be somewhere similar. And yes, this is the next one. I got these 2 scissors. I know like IKEA से जाके scissor खरीद के लाई हूँ, but these actually are priced just rupees 49 rupees, which I think 49 is quite a cheap price क्योंकि normal दुकान में भी it's like I think almost similar या फिर थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. And I felt like this is quite you know sharp वाला है. So I got this, like each is 49 rupees. I got one for me and one I think for my brother. And the last one that I bought actually is this one. This is, what do you call it, mat, door mat. So this is like mostly like not me, my mom bought it. Like वो शायद ये शिलीगुड़ी में लेके जाएगी तो उसके लिए. सो दिस इज लाइक द डोर मैट एंड दिस एक्चुअली इज लाइक वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड पीछे दिस इज लाइक एंटी स्किड. सो स्पेशली बाथरूम में रखने के लिए दिस इज क्वाइट हेल्पफुल एंड बोथ आर सेम एंड ईच आर ₹149 एंड आई थिंक फॉर द क्वालिटी इज क्वाइट नाइस. दो मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट आई हैव बॉट लाइक दीज आर मेड इन चाइना. आई थिंक 2-3 प्रोडक्ट मैंने देखा है विच आर लाइक मेड इन फ्रांस, मेड इन इंडिया भी बहुत कम था, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स इन IKEA आर मेड इन चाइना. एंड येस दैट्स ऑल दैट आई गॉट. एंड टाइम तो वहाँ पे ना कितना जल्दी चला जाता है आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. लाइक आई हैव बिन टू IKEA प्रीवियसली, बैंगलोर वाले में भी मैं गई हूँ एंड हैदराबाद में तो आई हैव बिन लाइक फ्यू टाइम्स एंड दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम माई मॉम वेंट. सो वी एक्चुअली एंड लाइक सरप्राइजिंगली it was totally empty, like very few people were there, and each time I went to IKEA it was so crowded. Like the vlog that I have for IKEA, I think that was a Sunday, yeah, that was a Sunday. It was very crowded and today actually is a Tuesday and that too it's like raining. Now it's raining, it was raining yesterday as well, so I think it's a weekday plus like the rains and all have kept it empty and I'm so thankful for it. So I spent around like 4 hours, but it's like very near to my place. It's just like 5 minutes that I mentioned in metro. And in Bangalore the best part is like, you know, from the metro you can directly enter IKEA. Like you don't have to go out of the metro station and then enter IKEA via the road. There is like directly a skywalk kind of thing, like a passage where I can directly enter an IKEA, which is like great. And yes, that are all that I have. I also ate something from IKEA as well. I will try to add here. So the meatball, I didn't like it today. I had it previously. I thought that it was good, but anyway I didn't like it. But the paneer butter masala and there is also paneer chicken tikka masala, those are quite nice. If you're going to IKEA you can definitely try it out. I also got some samosa as well and brownie which I packed and took it home. That was like after the billing counter. Anyway, these are all the things that I got from IKEA, and also this packet costed ₹25. So if you have any like, you know, packets like bags or something, just take it with you if you want to buy some small things and all. And yes, that's all from about this haul. Definitely if you haven't checked the IKEA vlog, I will leave in the comment and somewhere in the I section it will also be there. You can check from the description as well. And yes, if you want to ask anything about IKEA you can leave it in the comment section below. And take care guys, bye.